Elevate your space. DIY home decor projects. Did you know that your home environment can significantly impact your mood and well-being? Studies reveal that well-decorated spaces can boost creativity, productivity, and even happiness. Why not take charge and give your home the refreshing energy it deserves? This weekend, let's turn your living space into a canvas of inspiration, and it's all possible with a touch of DIY magic. DIY home projects aren't just budget-friendly, they're transformative. They offer a creative escape and a chance to add your personal style to every corner of your home. Whether you're sprucing up your living room or creating a stylish nook, DIY projects empower you to breathe new life into plain spaces, all while enjoying the satisfaction of building something beautiful with your own hands. Does walking into a dull, uninspired room dampen your spirits? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of us feel overwhelmed by the idea of redecorating. However, with the right mindset and clear, practical steps, even the most ordinary spaces can evolve into places you'll love spending time in. This weekend, let's tackle that lack of inspiration and transform it into creativity and fun. Here are 3 simple but impactful projects you can try. Custom wall art. All you need are canvases, paint, and your imagination. Create abstract pieces or personalized quotes that reflect your style. 2. Refurbished furniture. Grab an old chair or table, sand it down, and give it a new coat of vibrant paint or a distressed finish. Add character with stenciled designs. 3. Chic mason jar organizers. Repurpose mason jars with spray paint and attach them to wooden planks. These stylish jars can organize tools, utensils, or makeup. With these easy-to-follow steps, you'll elevate both function and style in your home. Each of these projects brings a unique flair to your home, transforming dull spaces into eye-catching focal points. Watch design dreams come alive and feel the pride of having created something truly special. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comments which project inspired you most, or share your own DIY ideas. Be sure to subscribe for more creative home decor tips. We've got endless inspiration waiting for you. Let's make every weekend a masterpiece. Thank you for watching and happy DIYing.